Good day, everyone. I'm going to present to you my project proposal entitled Project Green Leaf Implementing Eco-Friendly Materials for a Greener School. So, the proponent for this presentation is me from San Jacinto National High School. Here are the topics that are we going to discuss: introductory information, project background, project fundamentals, project scope, project timeline, project details, project budget, and conclusion. So, introductory information. This, this project proposal, Project Greenleaf, implementing eco-friendly materials for a greener school, submitted on November 11, 2024. It outlines a comprehensive plan to use eco-friendly materials available and recycle of trash of San Jacinto National High School. This version of this document details other important aspects of the project such as the project scope, timeline, budget, and risk mitigation strategies, all aimed at making the school use of eco-friendly materials for cost efficiency. Project background. Project Greenleaf is a program that is focused on using eco-friendly materials at school, as well as recycle of trash that can be reused to make things. Students are the audience of this project, where they are participating in doing such tasks, like recycling materials that can still be used, and they will be learned to make them into objects that is accommodable. Also, cleaning that surrounding of the school. Nowadays, using eco-friendly materials is the best solution to decrease the carbon footprint as well as the increasing amount of the litter in a campus. However, this will take some time until it reaches its objectives to be implemented efficiently. The purpose of this project is that students will learn how to recycle reusable materials and transform them into things and to use those materials at school, like making armchairs and tables, from recyclable materials using filled plastic bottles as walls for any patch, from recyclable materials using filled plastic bottles, using plastic materials as decoration, and so much more. The goal of this project is that in few years the school will achieve cleanliness as well as students know how to reuse material at school, contributing to the environment, and in few months of its implementation, students are now aware on the things that they throw and what to do with them. So here are the included information on this project. Target audience are students, teachers, school, and community. Material collecting and sorting are establishing school-wide recycling program to collect reusable materials, plastic bottles, cardboard, paper, etc., providing guidance and supervision and variety of project ideas. Exhibition, organizing a school-wide exhibition to showcase students' creation, awarding prizes or recognition for innovative and creative upcycling projects, and sharing students' project through online platforms or school newsletters. And here are the information that were excluded. Large-scale construction. The project will focus on smaller, student-made items, not large-scale furniture or structures. Commercial production. The project will not involve mass production of selling upcycled items. Complex technology. The project will focus on simple upcycling techniques using readily available materials and tools. So this is the project timeline. In the week one, this is where the project will start, where a team will be formed and will define the project goals, objectives, and scopes that will be conducted to implement this project. Next is in week two, it will they will identify the potential eco-friendly materials found at the school, considering its cost effectiveness and availability. In week 3, conduct on school existing infrastructure and identify areas where the possible implementation of the program on certain grade levels. Week 4, develop detailed project plan outlining specific tasks, responsibilities, timelines, and budget requirements. So this is a phase 2 of the project. In week 5, begin the symposium of the school and gather all students, teachers, and staff for the implementation of the project. Week 6, the implementation of the project Greenleaf practices on certain grade levels have begun. Operation regarding recycle of reusable materials is initiated. Week 7, first inspection of the progress of the program. Week 8, planning an eco event. And week 10, where students use their creativity when transforming such materials into usable things. And week 9, this is the preparation for the event, and week 10 is the start or the commencing of the event. And this is the third phase. Week 11 is the evaluation of effectiveness of the implementation of the project. Week 12, identify areas need improvement and develop new strategies to be effective for few years. Week 13, identify any challenges and interference with the project and come up with better solution. Week 14, develop a comprehensive report outlining the project outcomes, successes, and recommendations for future initiatives. Week 15, present the finding and result to the school stakeholders and celebrate the project achievements. So the total cost of this project is 100,000 pesos. The quality is that student participation, project completion rate, quality of students' creations, positive impact from the school community. And here are the possible solution, possible things that will be achieved. Aims for a high student participation, encourage creativity and innovation in student creation, receive positive impact from students, teachers, and school community. And here are the project timeline, where the project duration will definitely take for two or what for 2 to 5 years. And here are the key milestones. Material collection and cleaning and drive launch will be starting week 2. First, upcycling workshop week 6, exhibition opening week 15, and awarding for week 16. The project's main mission is to implement eco-friendly practices on school, so students are aware what they can do with recyclable materials on the school, as well as transforming them into eco-friendly materials that can be used in different things. The project duration will take months before it fully implemented for the coming years. The estimated cost of the project is 100,000 pesos that will be used for the progress and implementation of the project, and in coming years, the project will give awareness to students about the materials that they can reuse. And this is the estimated cost for the implementation of this project. In conclusion, the safety of our environment is so important because of the benefits that we receive, like food, materials, and resources. It helps us to thrive in this world. However, because of the main activities occurred, like pollution, deforestation, especially the increase of trash, contributes to the negative effects on our environment. Project Greenleaf purpose is to give awareness to the youth so they will be aware in what is going on the environment, as well as to help decrease the effects of these man-made activities. And simply segregation and recycling of materials can give a powerful step to fight this crisis. And th- this is everything from the presentation. Thank you for listening.